Okay, I'm back in the mines. This time I'm in a section of the Noonday that doesn't normally get a lot of visitation. Some of the oldest workings. There's a chrome-plated bitch getting up in here, but I'm up in here. I wasn't sure how extensive this area would be, but it looks like it's going to be, so I'm going to turn the camera on and take it with me for a bit. So all the rock walls are pretty close and low here, suggesting this was done pretty much by hand drilling and maybe a little blasting. Definitely not high enough for a muck or anything else in here. No rail on the floor here. A lot of nice timbering around back up in here. Some old tins. I can't tell what they used to be. And a lot of collapse coming down from above in a lot of these spots here. So we're going to be careful. But I think this definitely rates Unexplored. So let's take a look and see what we got. I figure it can't have seen a whole lot of visitation because I'm not seeing much graffiti or litter back in here at all. That makes me happy. Now, I'm on a drift or tunnel of some sort. I came back out of a load chute. There's a lot of stope below me. I'm above most of it. It's to my left, but there's little pockets down to the right too. Tells me there's been something going on here. I don't know. I'll take a walk through first and we come back and do a detailed expo later. But sure, a lot of those tins up here. I don't know what they are, but they interest me. What's left of an old table or stool there. Scrap woods. Nice gobbing here that was built up over time for some reason, probably to backfill whatever that area there was. Keeping on, keeping on. I haven't seen any shot holes in the walls yet. So if they were blasting, I can't tell. This area evens out nice. Good. No tracks in the dirt. Oh yeah, hey, that doesn't look sketchy at all. No, that don't look sketchy at all. Let's see where that goes, shall we? Fortunately, I've left word with a couple of people where I am, so if anything goes untoward, I should be all right. But yeah, it's nice, big, thick wood here. Looks like we got some stoping up there. A crude chute down here, and some more stope space down there. Don't you dare tell me it's a ladder. But let me see if I can get across here ever so carefully. Hand on the wall and see what I can do. Got two boards here. I'll just step 1 foot on each of them. Like the old song says, put 1 foot in front of the other. Soon you'll be walking across the floor. Just put 1 foot in front of the other, and soon you won't be falling anymore. Yeah, I think that's it. Not really. So look at that, would you? Nice. Yeah, I definitely haven't seen this before. All right, so carrying on, another one of those fairly ubiquitous tins that's all over the place in this section. Air seems to be hanging kind of still, so I'm not sure how we're doing for ventilation back in here. I'm pretty close to the top of the mountain though, so definitely doesn't have that stale feel to it like a dead end. Oh, look at all this, boy, it goes. More timbering. And more rock that dropped down off the hanging wall there. So this area, for whatever reason, is seeing a lot of fall, a lot of slide. But being as close to the top as it is, it's probably a little more exposed to temperature variance and weathering. Nice little vein of something there. Ooh, the helmet pays for itself again. All right. It's a board. And it looks like come to a face. Oh, no, I have not. A ladder. Oh, my God. Where do you suppose this goes? Well, can't come this far and not find out. As said, I've given people enough people notification that I'm back in here, so if I die, at least they know where to come look. Not that I plan on dying today, though. I am much, much too pretty to die. I am. Carefully we climb. In my luck, someone might have put that there for a joke. That's a little loose. So a pretty good looking workspace up here. Watch the footing. Handhold, and up we go. Yeah, look at this. Whew. I feel air. Still a piece of metal down there. Tin of some sort. Yeah. It's clearly goes somewhere. I'm gonna put my other glove in my pocket now. I want full feel on my hands for this. Oh yeah, look at this. It's a whole, we got a bag here. The Tacoma store, Tacoma, California, from someplace. That's a nice piece of history. Burlap sack there. Where's our walkway through?